Can you find the list? Because I can't find it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faye, back with another video. I know it has been so long since I've uploaded a tutorial, but this video is gonna be amazing. I can feel it, yes. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel since you're already here. So yeah, let's just jump right in. So this wig, oh my god, it's so big, is from WESTKISS Hair, and it is their number 4 colored curly wig. I have this in the length 24 inches and it is 180 density. I'll leave all the product details in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. I've already bleached and plucked the lace, so it's already ready to go. I already have so many videos of me bleaching, plucking, doing all that customization on my channel already, so make sure to check that out. Or if you want me to do a whole dedicated tutorial, I can do one of those, so just comment that below. So I'm going to be walking you guys through it step by step to make sure to get that flawless install. Like, I am going to melt the lace. I have some extra tips at the end to just take it that extra mile. Alright guys, you ready? Alright, let's go. First, to get started, I already did the bald cap method, and like I said earlier, I have so many videos on this whole tutorial, so you guys can just check that out, or I can link them below if you guys want that. So I'm going to put some cream foundation on my wig cap to just blend it with my skin. And this is the brand that I'm using. I kind of mix both colors together. On the baggage, girl. I love it. Alright, so this is what the bald cap is looking like now. So I'm also going to put some cream foundation on the wig cap to tint the lace. Since this lace is transparent, I feel like it needs this tinting, unless it won't like blend all the way into my skin, but we're gonna make it work. For you. I also put just a little bit on the top of the lace, just a little bit, because this also helps tint it and make it blend flawlessly to your skin. Too fine, oh she might. And then I'm gonna hot comb it back. All on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing. Alright, I just put the wig on and it is looking so good already. As you can see, it's tinted right there, so it's matching with my skin tone. Like, this is, it looks so beautiful. I'm not sure what style I'm gonna do, but I saw a style on TikTok that I kind of want to try out, so bear with me guys, I'm pretty excited. Ooh. It's for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Alright, before I go in with the actual gluing, I'm going to start by doing a little bit of glue on the wig cap to blend my wig cap to my forehead, if that makes sense, to just kind of make it look seamless. Yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, no she might give up on the. I don't know if you guys can kind of tell, but look how much more blended this side is to this side. You want to make sure to place the glue behind the wig cap, so like on the wig cap, and then using your tool to press it forward, only going forward motion and pressing down to make it like lay flat. I just want to call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah, I just wanna call on you. For a bit of extra security and to make sure my wig does not move, I do like to put some wig tape. You can just get this at the hair store or any beauty supply store, and I just cut it in half and I place one on each side after this first gluing process. I know she might. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call around the ear tab, but I like to keep it on my wig cap still. Ooh yeah, I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on. So now is the real important part, the glue process. I've seen so many different ways to do the glue process. You can kind of do it all over, or you can kind of work in sections, and that's the way I like to do it, in 2 different sections. So 1 layer here, like halfway through, and then finish off on that side, and making sure that the glue dries completely, like completely clear, invisible, seamless, everything. But that's so important, because if you just leave like even a drop or just like even a little bit of white, you will be able to see it in the lace, and it won't look seamless and it won't look melted. So we're gonna go in sections, and we want to take our time, but not too much time. You want to make sure that there's no patches that are like thicker than others. You want it to be like a seamless layer. Give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much. As you can see, this side is pretty much clear. This side has just a bit more time to go. So I'm gonna start on this side and then just keep going in a circle until I've gotten my 4 layers. Ooh, yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh she might. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Alright, I just finished my 4 layers, and as you can see, it is completely clear. There is no patches of glue that needs to be dried. I'm just making sure. So it looks good. So I'm about to put the wig on. Ooh, babe, nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, it be alright. Yeah. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I won't do. Ooh yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah. I'm just obsessed overall. Ah, it's so cute. Okay, let me go ahead, and since I'm doing like a middle part style, I'm gonna go ahead and just turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, no she might. Give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much. I am tempted to do a side part because I'm a side part gal, but maybe not. Let me stick to the plan. The plan is do the TikTok style. The plan is do the TikTok style. Ooh yeah, baby. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh she might. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I won't do. Ooh yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Now it's time to cut the lace off, and so I like to cut it also in sections, and then I kind of just go and cut off all the lace that's not stuck down. Yeah, all of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, it be alright. Yeah. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call. So this is what the wig is looking like right now. The lace is slightly lighter than my skin tone right now, which I'm not obsessed with, but don't worry, I'm going to fix that at the end after I do the baby hairs. I don't want to put too much product and makeup throughout the whole process because I feel like the more product you add, the gunkier it gets. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup later on to touch it up, but it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. Like I do. Tables turning my way. Yeah. I can feel you warming up. Next, I'm gonna use some hair mist to spray over the middle, just to kind of make sure it's all sleek, not too much because then it gets really oily. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind, things I will do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights. All right, guys, we are about to do my favorite part, which is the baby hair. So let me go ahead and make it up to me. Just wanted you closer, closer. Electric feel when you brush up on me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. All right, so now I go in with my edge brush and then some hair flex to kind of define the areas that are being left out. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind, things I will do for you. So So while I wait for my curler to heat up, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this down, wrap these edges down.
Things I would do for you, stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you, stuck in my mind.
Alright, so now let me go in and work on the baby hair. So now that is way flatter. Oh, I am obsessed with every single step of this.
Him no make you happy. No. Him no make you feel like I do. They both turning my way. Yeah. I can feel you warming up to me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Read up in the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a...
Alright, so now I'm going to go with my Nairobi wrap foam and then my edge brush, and I'm going to lay them down. I really want to go for a fluffy look today, so it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to brush out the edges at the end.
Things I would do for you, stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you, stuck in my mind. Oh my God, stuck in my mind. Oh my God, did not see you last week. Told me you will make it up to me.
Alright, y'all, we are almost at the finish line. Let's reveal. Ooh, this looks so good. This side didn't come out too bad. I'm about to attempt the style I saw on TikTok. I'm gonna show it right there. This is what I'm going for today. And first things first, I'm gonna do the tutorial for you guys. Okay, so first we're going to part the front two sections.
Long nights thinking of you, stuck in my mind.
And then you're going to part it like this. Perfect. So you're gonna have two forward sections, and then you're just gonna pack it back. Pack the remaining back, if you can see, just to get it out of your face.
Oh my God, stuck in my mind. Oh my God, oh my vibe, oh my trato, him no make you happy. No. Him no make.
Take some of my foundation brush and just tap that in. Hoo hoo hoo! I told y'all it's gonna disappear. It's disappearing. It's disappearing. Can you find the list? Because I can't find it. So you're gonna just take a big piece, not all the hair, just like a good piece right here. Alright guys, we are almost done. This could even be a star right here. This is so cute. But it's not. Okay, so then I finally found a hair clip dang near almost at the end of the video, but I finally found like a whole pack of these downstairs. And so we're gonna take this clip.
All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows.
Ooh, there it is. Wow. That wasn't so bad. That was my first time and everything. I'm obsessed. Okay, we still have a few finishing touches to go to make this like look amazing. I feel like all of these steps are like important, like making sure it looks like snatched.
Told me you will make it up to me. Just wanted you close.
The tool, the spray that I'm looking for, my sister actually took it with her to Amsterdam. So I plan to use this like darker brown spray to like clean up the edges here. But since I don't have that,
I'm gonna use this jet black. But I'm gonna use a spoolie and I'm gonna try and make it like not seem like jet blacky, if that makes sense. I don't know. I'm a bit nervous, but I just feel like it just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna use the spoolie in my hand. All right, guys. This is it. I am speechless. This is probably one of my favorite hairstyles this year. I am so obsessed with everything, the baby hairs, the color, the curls. I am curious to see how it's gonna look when I wet the hair because I know the curls are gonna be really beautiful, but I really am obsessed with this big look right now, so I'm probably gonna wait a little bit before I add any water to it. If you guys have any questions about this whole install process, or if you guys have any ideas of any other videos you guys want me to do, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll leave all the details to this hair in the description box below. And make sure to check out my Instagram, TikTok, because I'm gonna be posting so many videos and content on this with this hair. You guys are gonna be sick of me. You guys are going to be sick of me because I'm obsessed. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys later.
Thinking of you, stuck in my mind. I see you last week, told me you will make it up to me. Just wanted you closer.